Just setting up my Christmas tree. Fire! Oh. Merry Christmas. This is extreme gift wrapping. Oh, that's a sweet looking sky today. That's a tasty cloud. Dude, watch this. Oh, that was crazy.
Whoa, what's going on? Whoa, too high! Too high! Help!
Invisibility. It's really cold here in Finland. Just making my house a home. Now, all I need is a person. Hey. Oh, would you? Yes! This is awesome! Okay, and systems on. Whoa, whoa! Get out of the way!
Zack, your room better be clean!
Oh. We like to keep laundry fun. Hole in one. Oh, this is our stop, dude! Come on, dude! Hot dog. I'm just kidding. You're a hot dog! You're a hot dog! Lifeguarding.
No running at the pool!
Kids, don't drink bubbles at home. Hi, Mom. Time to face my greatest fear! Jumping through fences. This is the Fruit Swap 2000. So put it down, take an apple, make it a banana, and then you get corn.
No, don't eat me! Don't eat me! No!
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Here we go! Ah! Woo! It's green. That's awesome. This is how I break car windows. This is Twitter in real life. Hey buddy, go ahead and tweet. Check out my aquarium. Here, fishy.
Walk into the club like, what up? I got a big
bag of popcorn. Got a big bag of popcorn. Check out the pizza printer. Oh man. Cooking ping pong balls for breakfast. Mmm, yummy. This is the Laundromatic 3000.
And voila.
This is how Asians solve Rubik's Cubes. Look, Mom! Every time I use the mouse.
Ladies and gentlemen, I call my next trick the Power Drencher! It's hot today. All of your most popular.
Coming right up.
What flavor is that?
It's the cherry lime.
Oh, no! No! 1 sec. I need this drink.
Guys, time for bed.
I call top bunk. Good night. Oh. I'm good.
Just wrapping a pig in a blanket. Oink.
Did you take out the trash?
Hey, got it. Hey, I'm getting ready for an awesome surprise. Like this video in 3, 2, 1. Oh. All right. Surprise! Surprise!
No, Mom, I'm at work. You can't call me here. Okay, but did you try plugging it in? Well, then try to reset it. Just take out the router. I gotta go. Mom, you there?
Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. I say. Okay, I've got a little summer hack for you. Please don't laugh. You're gonna get free stuff out of this if you try it. All right, so it looks ridiculous, but this is how you get a free pair of. I'm so sorry. Didn't mean to break your Instagram. I hate how my wife is dancing with this hot dog.
Babe, he was so cute though.
Quick tip, if you ever find yourself on fire, don't forget to stop, drop, and... Oh my gosh! Works every time.
Being a tourist makes me hungry.
Where bunnies come from? Yeah. Bunny, hi! It worked. It's kind of hard to see, but if you get it just right, you can... Works every time.
2, 1.
Y'all ready for this?
Follow our Snapchat and be the first to watch our stories.